Building a campervan is all about smart design, especially in a Mercedes Sprinter where every inch matters. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 brilliant space-saving ideas that can completely transform your van build. And these aren't just concepts. I'll show you how to actually build each one with real-world tips from seasoned van lifers. Let's dive in. A fixed bed doesn't have to waste space. It can become a powerful storage solution. One of the best setups is a lift-up bed platform supported by hydraulic hinges or gas struts, giving you access to a massive underbed compartment. It's ideal for storing bulky gear like camp chairs, water tanks, extra batteries, even a bike. To build this, use a sturdy plywood frame and a foldable or bendable mattress. The key is using lightweight but strong gas struts, like the ones found in car hoods, so the platform lifts easily and stays open while you pack or unpack. Add LED strip lighting inside the compartment for visibility at night. Pro tip: divide the storage space into sections with crates or sliding drawers so you're not digging through clutter. A well-planned bed base can hold far more than you'd expect. In van life, a table isn't just a table. It's your desk, kitchen counter, and dining zone all in one. A fold-out table attached to a wall or cabinet gives you all this functionality without using permanent space. Use a piano hinge or folding bracket to attach a wood panel that lies flat against the wall when not in use. Just lift it up and lock it into place when needed. Add a magnetic catch to keep it secure while driving. Want to go further? Use the underside for a chalkboard, a spice rack, or even extra storage. In van design, every flat surface should serve double duty. Overhead space is pure gold. Don't let it go to waste. Add upper cabinets above your kitchen or bed area using lightweight plywood or aluminum frames. Secure them directly into the van's ribs with riv nuts or plus nuts for a strong hold. Add push-to-open latches so they don't swing open on the road, and soft close hinges for a premium feel. LED strip lights underneath the cabinets add both ambience and utility, especially when cooking at night. For easier access, try netted fronts or see-through polycarbonate doors. Think of it like airplane overhead bins, sleek, secure, and motion-friendly. If you work remotely or love watching movies in your van, a wall-mounted monitor or small TV on a rotating arm is a game changer. It lets you pivot the screen toward your bed or kitchen, depending on your setup. Look for articulating arms made for small TVs or monitors that can fold flat against the wall. Secure them with solid anchor points and check for vibrations before the final install. Run cables through hidden channels or flexible sleeves for a clean, polished look. Bonus idea: connect it to a Raspberry Pi or laptop for a compact off-grid media hub. Netflix and chill, van lifestyle. A permanent bathroom isn't always necessary, but a hidden toilet can be a lifesaver. The best option? A cassette or composting toilet stored under a bench or inside a cabinet. Build a bench seat with a lift-up lid and strap the toilet in place. Line the interior with waterproof vinyl to protect the wood, and add a small vent pipe or exhaust fan to control odors. During the day, it's just extra seating. When nature calls, you've got a clean and private setup. For added comfort, pair it with a folding privacy curtain or outdoor pop-up tent. Van electrical systems can get messy fast, with wires everywhere and fuse boxes buried deep. A pull-out electrical drawer keeps everything organized and easy to access. Build a shallow cabinet or use full extension drawer slides to create a custom pull-out tray. Mount your charge controller, fuse panel, battery monitor, and breakers right inside. Label every wire and leave some slack for easier maintenance. If you're using lithium batteries, install them nearby and ensure proper ventilation. When you need to troubleshoot, just slide the drawer out and see everything at once. No more crawling under the bed. It's clean, efficient, and feels like a professional setup. Even fridge doors can become obstacles in tight van spaces. A top-loading fridge with a custom sliding lid is a clever workaround, especially when it's built into a bench or cabinet. Install your fridge in a fixed compartment and craft an insulated lid that slides open along rails. This way, you can access your food even if your bed or table is directly above. Add weather stripping to keep cold air in and power consumption low. Want to level it up? Add a shallow drawer above the fridge to store dry goods, snacks, or utensils. It's quiet, durable, and optimized for off-grid adventures. Dirty laundry adds up quickly on the road, and it can swallow up precious space if not managed well. A drop-down laundry hamper hidden behind a cabinet door keeps everything tidy and out of sight. Install a small fabric bag inside a vertical cabinet using a front panel that folds down to reveal the hamper. Use bungee cords or magnets to keep it secure during transit, and add mesh panels so clothes stay ventilated. You can easily pull out the entire bag for trips to the laundromat or to use with a portable washer. It's simple, smart, and keeps your living space fresh. The area under your bed, accessible through the rear doors, is prime real estate and perfect for a pull-out gear tray. Use heavy-duty drawer slides and a plywood base topped with a rubber mat. This tray can hold your tools, outdoor kitchen setup, climbing gear, or even water tanks. Install dividers or tie-down straps to prevent shifting while driving. Many Vanlifers also mount their propane tanks or solar batteries here for easy access. Just pull it out, grab what you need, and slide it back in. Fast, functional, and built for adventure. Need more space but don't want a longer van? A pop-top roof is the ultimate upgrade. It gives you standing height during the day and a second sleeping loft at night. You can have one professionally installed or build it DIY using a fiberglass shell and marine-grade canvas. Use gas struts for easy lifting and hinge the roof from the front or side. Add screened windows for ventilation and blackout panels for sleep. Yes, it's a big project, but totally worth it. You gain headroom, fresh air, and a whole extra room without changing your van's footprint on the road. Vanlife is all about smart design choices. And with these 10 space-saving ideas, your Sprinter can feel like a much bigger home on wheels. Which idea was your favourite? Drop a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dive van conversion tips. See you on the road.